Pause for a second. Really pause. When was the last time you spent an entire day without this glowing rectangle in your hand? We've all felt it. That endless scroll, that quiet anxiety, that creeping guilt after hours disappear. But I hit a breaking point, and this is how I broke free. My screen addiction wasn't entertainment anymore. It was a cage. Morning to night, every free second, I was reaching for it, mindlessly, compulsively, and I realized I wasn't living, I was consuming. The wake-up call wasn't dramatic, no rock bottom, no intervention, just a simple gut punch moment. I looked at my reflection in the black screen of my phone, and I didn't recognize the person staring back. So I made a decision, not to throw my phone away, not to live like a monk, but to take my life back, one step at a time. Step 1, kill the dopamine loops. I deleted every app designed to trap me. No endless scroll, no infinite feeds. If I wanted to use an app, I'd download it, do what I needed, and delete it again. This single rule cut my screen time in half overnight. Step 2, replace. Don't just remove. When you take away a habit, you leave a void. So I filled mine with morning walks, with journaling, with learning skills that gave me real satisfaction, not empty dopamine hits. Step 3, make your phone boring. Black and white mode, silent notifications, no flashy icons. If your phone feels like a dull brick, you won't crave it as much. It sounds simple, but it's life-changing. Step 4, set sacred hours. I chose 2 windows each day to check my phone. Morning, evening. That's it. The first few days were torture, but then came freedom. My mind felt clear. Time slowed down. Step 5, face your life. Most screen addictions aren't about the screen. They're about what you're avoiding, your goals, your pain, your potential. Once I faced that truth, the grip my phone had on me disappeared. Today I use my phone, but it doesn't use me. I've built a life that's so fulfilling that a screen feels like a tool, not a trap. If you're tired of being controlled, remember this. Freedom isn't about deleting your phone. It's about creating a life that's worth looking up for. Start today. You deserve better. So here's my challenge to you. Track your screen time today. Write it down. Cut it by 20% this week, then 20% next week. Share your screen time in the comments. Inspire someone else. Because if I can break free, so can you. And if this video hit you in the heart, subscribe to Silent Sifu. Join me. We're building a tribe of people who refuse to be controlled by a glowing rectangle. Life is short. Take it back.